Recording in progress.
Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening all of you. හැමෝටම සුබ අලුත් අවුරුද්දක් වේවා. කොහොමද අවුරුදු හොඳයිද? Have your term test started?
Yes, teacher.
කො බලන්න දැන් මේ වෙද්දි science paper එක ඉවරයි. Hands up those whose science paper is over by now. Only one, Dinuda. You faced the science paper, Dinuda.
Yes, teacher.
I think you had it before the vacation, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes, okay. Your sister also had. Okay. අනිත් අයට තාම තිබුණ නැද්ද පුතේ science paper එක?
No, teacher.
හරි. ඔව්.
Teacher, I had it on Wednesday.
You had it on Wednesday, Sayoni. Hari. I think all the others haven't faced the science paper yet, right? It would be on next week, right? Is it? Howda?
Is it in the school?
Yes, I'm asking about the school term tests.
I finished it, teacher.
You have finished it. So 3 of you have finished, right? Hari. Can you all turn on the videos? Dulina, Janodya, Sayoni, Ama, Vibhuda, Lavanya, Ama, Dulina, Hari. So since most of you haven't faced the term test yet, I thought of doing a revision paper today also. Harida. Then we can start the new lesson on the coming week. නැත්තම් අමතක කරනවානේ ඔයාලා නේ term test එකට කලින්. Okay. Turn on the videos all of you. Hari. I think we haven't done this one earlier. කලේ නෑනේ අපි මේ paper එක කලින්. බලන්න හොඳට නෑ නේද කියලා. Yes. Hari. Okay, start then. Don't write any of the questions. Write the answers only. Put the question number and write the answers. තව ඉන්නවා ලකිර සයුනි කවුද කැමරා එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ කිව්වේ දුලින and සයුනි ලාවන්‍ය දිනුද ඉක්මනින් කරගෙන යමු Arya, is it your first day today? Arya? දැන් කැමරාස් වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ කියන අයගේ පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න ඕනේ නේද පේරන්ට්ස් ලට කියලා. නැත්තම් සමහර පේරන්ට්ස් ළම කියනවා කැමරා එක වැඩ කරද්දි වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියනවලු. ඔයාලා එහෙම කරන්නේ නැහැ නේද?
Madam,
Yes.
can you show the first question again?
Teacher, we can show the fifth one.
Sorry.
We can
Okay.
show the fifth one.
Yes. Matisha, turn on the video, please.
It I write for question.
Yes, Dinuda. What did you say, Dinuda?
No, teacher.
It's not Dinuda.
Teacher, I write for question.
Yes.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have joined now. What did you?
Pute, we have started to answer this question paper. Did you have the term test science paper, Janu?
Yes, teacher.
You already had?
No, teacher, no.
හරි. ඒ නිසා අදත් revision එකක් යන්නේ. So you can write answers from question number 5 onwards.
Okay.
මම අන්තිමට ආයි මුල පහ පෙන්නන්නම්.
Okay.
Still writing for question.
Fourth one. ඉක්මන් කරමු.
Teacher, the seventh one.
ඉන්න පුතේ හිමීට ඔක්කොටම දැන් එක්කෙනෙක් 4 කියනවා එක්කෙනෙක් 7 කියනවා එහෙම නැතුව මම එක ගානකට අරන් යන්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ උත්තර ලියන්න. videos on කරන්න. හැමෝම videos on කරලා උත්තර ලියන්න.
Madam,
Yes.
is that part 2?
No, here they haven't separated it as part 1 and part 2. You can continue. After some time I will take few questions and we will discuss. ඊට පස්සේ තව ටිකක් ලියමු. එහෙම කරමු. Yes, Arya, have you finished?
No, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Who has finished? Evin.
Teacher, Ishan has
Eshan. Okay,
Miss teacher.
right. Put the question numbers properly. को हासेलियाद हासेली बैकग्राउंड एक तरह हाँ इन्होंने
Madam,
yes
in the third question, third one,
hmm.
what is the word after
The percentage of consumed water is actually it should be consumable water පරිභෝජනයට ගත හැකි ජල ප්‍රතිශතය. The percentage of consumable water is 0.01% it says.
teacher?
Yes.
In the fourth questions, what are teats?
Teats කියන්නේ මොනවද? පුංචි කාලේ පාවිච්චි කළේ? What is සූපුව?
Okay.
Teat. We have discussed about this in the second unit in the table. දැන් පාඩම් 3යි තිබුණේ first term එකට පාඩම් කරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. We had only 3 units for the first term.
Teacher,
Yes.
I have 85 marks for science in the exam.
Okay, very good, Matisha. So you can get some more next time, right? Anyway, that's very good.
Next time I'm going to get 95.
Very good. Well done. You should have a aim like that.
Teacher,
Yes.
I got 91 for science.
Kaude. I didn't see Pute. Kaude. Is that Vibhuda?
Yes, teacher.
Ah, very good, Vibhuda. You have got even the marks. Right. Well done. You can maintain that, right? Throughout the year. Okay, good. Harry, have you all finished up to the third question?
Yes, teacher.
Harry, we'll discuss. ඊට පස්සේ අපි යමු ඊළඟ ඒවට. Right. බලන්න ඔන්න දැන් අර those who joined late, you can just complete the first 5, right? First 4. Those who joined late. I will give you 1 minute. Amma, turn on the video. Hari. An autotrophic organism is. Then api not only the answers, we have to revise the background also. So who are autotrophs? We'll ask from Dinuda. Who are autotrophs?
Autotrophs are the things that make their own food.
The organisms you have to say, right? The organisms
that made their own food.
who can make their own food. The organisms who can make their own food are known as autotrophs or else autotrophic organisms. So who is the autotroph here?
Man.
Yes? Men?
Paddy.
Bee, man, paddy and parrot. So you can see bee, man and parrot are animals, but the only plant is paddy. The plants are considered to be autotrophs. Second one, the international unit for measuring mass. What is yes,
Kilograms.
that is kilogram. Kilogram, how to write it? Simple K, simple G. Both are simple letters, right? Okay. Harry. Then, Amma, please mute your microphone. Animal that haven't the ability of locomotion is. Yes, what is it? Yes, the animals have the ability to locomote, but there are few animals who cannot locomote. Those are known as Kauda. Who are the examples? What are the examples? Coral polyp, sea anemone.
Sea anemone.
Yes, hydra, sea anemone, coral polyp. Yes, they can just show movements only. They can't move from one place to another. Right. Then number 4, living things are of 3 types. In the tree, yes, in the tree given, in the tree diagram given, which of the following is most suitable for A? Plants and animals are given.
Microorganisms.
Autotrophic, the living things are of 3 types. Manada, what are the 3 types? Plants, animals and microorganisms. Therefore, the most suitable one for A is microorganisms. Then, number 5. The volume of the liquid is, so you know,
20 ml.
yes, you have to have a look at the lowest curved point. The value at the lowest curved point should be the reading. The value at the lowest curved point should be the reading. Right? So, it is 20 milliliters, right? Not the value here. You have to consider the value at the lowest curved point, that is 20 milliliters. Remember, the most suitable equipment to observe the given organism in the laboratory is. So, who is this?
Amoeba.
Amoeba. This is amoeba. It is irregular in shape, right? This is amoeba. So, the most suitable equipment in the laboratory is compound microscope. So, what is the magnifying glass? Hand lens, yes. අපි ඒකට කියනවා simple microscope කියලා. හැබැයි යාගෙන් අපිට we can't see the microorganisms through the magnifying glass or the simple microscope. We have to have at least a compound microscope.
Teacher,
Yes.
our school has a microscope and we put that tip it and there was some black bacteria in it.
Black bacteria or the pepper that they have added, pepper or the spice?
I don't know, it was moving.
It was moving, then it would be something, an organism, right? If it is moving. Okay. A factor not needed for photosynthesis is, what is it?
Oxygen.
Yes. For photosynthesis we need sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. There is another factor needed for photosynthesis. That is chlorophyll. What is the main product of photosynthesis?
Glucose.
That is glucose. Very good. The important byproduct is
Oxygen.
oxygen. Well done. අර අවුරුද්දට කලින් රිවිෂන් කරද්දි ටිකක් වැරද්දුවා. අද හොඳයි. අද පාඩම් කරලා වගේ නේ. Okay. A is growth, B is reproduction, C photosynthesis, D respiration. The characteristic that common to all living organisms are all living organisms. හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ. Growth is common, reproduction is common, but photosynthesis is shown only by plants, not all but the organisms. Respiration is common, so the answer is ABD. ABD, right? Hari neda, you can mark your answers. Okay, then question number 9. What is this? So, exhaled air is sent into lime water. Can you remember the chemical name of lime water? What is the chemical compound? මොනවාද පුතේ?
Lime water.
ඔව් lime water වල මොනවාද තියෙන chemical compound එක කියලා මතකද?
hydroxide.
Very good. That is calcium hydroxide, Vibhuda. Calcium hydroxide. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. So, calcium hydroxide turns milky. Colorless calcium hydroxide, colorless lime water turns milky in the presence of carbon dioxide gas, right? So, once we send exhaled air into colorless lime water, if it turns milky, we know that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Hari ne? Students, A and B statements about the above setup was given. Statement A, clear lime water turns milky white. Is it correct?
Yes.
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 Videos on karanna. Statement B, exhaled air contain carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
If the colorless lime water turned milky, we can conclude that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. The correct statement or statements, both A and B. Correct statements, both A and B. Harine. Then, number 10. Matter has a definite volume but no definite shape. Matter has a definite volume but no definite shape. What is it?
Liquid.
Liquid. Yes. Liquids have a definite volume but they don't have a definite shape. They obtain the shape of the occupied part of the container. Neda? Shape of the occupied part of the container. Hari. Kose Hansa? Okay. And I put marks out of 20 for the first 10. If you have got all 10 correct, 2 into 10, that is out of 20. Put marks out of 20. Janu and Evina with dinosaurs. I'm afraid. Hari. Did you put marks?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher, I got 20 out of 20.
Very good.
Also got 20 out of 20.
Most of you have got, right? Select the words from the given list and fill in the blanks. Oxygen, measuring cylinder, water pollution, microorganisms, fresh water. Right. The organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eye is?
Microorganisms.
Those are called microorganisms. Yes. Microorganisms. Right. Then number 2. Gas is released during the process of photosynthesis. You mentioned earlier also. Oxygen. Right. Number 3 is used to measure the volume of a liquid.
Measuring cylinder.
දැන් සමහර අය මොකද කතා කරන්නේ නැත්තේ මට දැන් පේනවා ඔයගොල්ලන් වෙනම ස්ක්‍රීන් එකක බලාගෙන ඉන්නේ. සමහර අය කතා කරන්න කම්මැලිද? එනර්ජි ඉවර වෙයි කියලා. හැමෝම කියන්න ඕනේ ආන්සර්ස් මට පේනවා කවුද කියන්නේ උත්තර කියලා. 4 දෙනෙක් වීඩියෝස් ඔෆ් කරගෙන ඉන්නවා. හරි. එතකොට measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquid. The amount of salt dissolved in blank is very low. In which water? In which water the maximum amount of salt is dissolved?
Marine water.
Marine water. Right. So here you have to say fresh water. Water becomes unsuitable for consumption is known as water pollution. Right. Once again put marks out of 10. 2 into 5. 2 for each. එකකට ලකුණු 2යි. Put marks.
I got 10 out of 10.
Okay. So you have to put marks like that. If you have got 10, you have to put it and circle like this. මෙහෙම round කරන්න ඕනේ. Right?
Miss, I got 8.
8. One went wrong. කොහමද එකක් වැරදුනේ? What is the wrong one? Yes. Yes. Which one is wrong? Cool. වචන දෙකක් මාරු වුණා නම් දෙකක් වරදින්න ඕනේ. එතකොට ලකුණු only 6 marks.
The water pollution.
Water pollution, what did you write? What didn't you write for that?
Oh, miss.
ඇයි ඒ තින්තුරු H එක හරි ලියන්න ඕනේනේ. It's easy now.
I don't know the answer.
So there are 5. If you know the first 4, only one word is remaining. So you can easily select. When water becomes unsuitable for consumption, we call it as water pollution. When air becomes unsuitable for breathing, it is air pollution, right? When the soil becomes unsuitable for the growth of plants, that is the pollution of soil, right? Hari. Mark if the statement is true or false. Hari neda Arya? Then green plants are called autotrophic. True. ඔන්න මමත් වැරදි වැඩක් කරන්න ගියේ. I was going to put a tick. එතකොට you will not get marks because they have asked you to put either T or F. You have to follow the instructions also. මෙතන මම හරියක් දැම්මම no marks. Right? Mimosa plant shows a sleeping movement. True. Yes, plants show movements. මෙහෙම කිව්වොත් plants show respiratory movements. Is it true or false?
No.
False. Neither. Plants do not respirate. True or false? False. Plants also respirate. They need energy by means of cellular respiration. But they don't show respiratory movements like us. Neither. We show respiratory movements. අපි හුස්ම ගන්නකොට පේනවා මේ chest එක උඩ පහළ යන විදිය. Later on you will learn what happens there. Right? Animals show respiratory movements but plants do not show respiratory movements. ඒකෙන් කියන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ respirate කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. They respirate but they don't show respiratory movements. Right? Hari. The percentage of consumed water is 0.01%. True or false? True. Yes. The majority of the earth's surface, more than 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water, but the consumable water is very low, 0.01%. That's a very low percentage, right? So majority of the water is seawater and rest of the fresh water is also polluted. Right, nowadays this percentage may have been further reduced, right, because of the activities of animals, the human beings, the human beings. Then you saw what has happened, the behavior of human beings in the last few days in a particular city. So it's very pathetic, no? So you have to develop good attitudes. Wherever you go, you should have a very good discipline not to put at least a toffee, wrapping of a toffee. ටොෆි කොලයක්වත් බිම දාන්නේ නැති මෙන්ටැලිටි එකක් ඔයාලා හදාගන්න ඕනේ. ඩස්බින් එකක් හම්බ වෙනකන් ඒක බෑග් එකේ හරි දාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ. බෑග් එකේ දාගෙන නැත්නම් පොකට් එකේ දාගෙන යන්න ඕනේ ඩස්බින් එකක් හම්බ වෙනකන්. Right, you should not do that. Right, litter here and there, then you will not get the blessings of the surroundings even. So භව ධර්මයේ ආශිර්වාදය ලැබෙන්න නම් හැමතිස්සෙම හරි විදිහට ඉන්න ඕනේ. Right? Teats and gloves are made of rubber. Yes? Why? Because of which property of rubber is made used? Elasticity. Very good. Elasticity.
Nature.
A brick has definite shape and no definite volume.
False.
No definite shape and no definite volume. Brick is a solid. Solid has a definite shape as well as a definite volume. Therefore, this is false. Right. Now put marks out of 10 once again. 2 for each. Marks out of 10. Yes, Dulina. There are 2 Dulinas, Nani. Hari. Where's Dulina? Two Dulinas are there. Dulina Gamage, that's the Homunane. Dulina Gamage and Dulina. Dulina Gamage has turned on the video. අනිත් දුලිනත් සෙකන්ඩ් නේම් එකක් දැම්ම නම් හරි. නැත්තම් එක්කෙනෙක්ගේ නම කියනකොට අනිත් එක්කෙනා නේද දුලින ගමගේ. හරි. Okay. දැන් අපි marks දාගෙන යමු. Now we are moving on to the fourth question. That is not fourth question, that is part 2. First, you have to have a look at the pictures. Is that clear for you? ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලන්න මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. The above picture was taken from a grade 6 student's notebook. Observe carefully and answer the following questions. Name a living thing and non-living thing. හරි. ඒක එච්චර අමාරු නෑ මේක දිහා බලලා. You are asked to write a living thing and a non-living thing here. Very easy. Okay. Ko Dulina Senhiru. Did you observe?
Yes.
Tabigala balagattane?
Yes, madam.
Hari.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, is that Amma?
No, teacher, Matisha.
Ah, yes, Matisha. What do you want to know?
Can you show me that picture? For 1 second, I wanted to see it. Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, I have finished, right?
Me too, madam. Madam. Madam,
Slakira.
I can't see the P.
Evin, Amma, turn on the video.
Teacher. Teacher.
Buddha.
The screen is not clear, teacher.
Is it? What about the others? Anita at pen at the.
Clear, teacher. I can see clear.
Clear, teacher.
හරි විබෝධ මොනහරි ඔයාලගේ පැත්තෙන් කනෙක්ෂන් ඉෂුව එකක් වුණාම එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ මම ගෲප් එකටත් දාන්නම් පේපර් එක WhatsApp ගෲප් එකට
Okay, teacher.
Teacher,
yes
I missed that last page, John. Can you show me it? I missed it. Can you go a little bit up, please?
this one
No, like I think that's the last page.
so if I move on to the last page now then the others will get a disturbance right
The
this one
yeah.
okay
The teacher. I'll quickly write it.
හරි නේද have you all finished this question
Yes, miss.
all of you
Yeah. Yeah, miss. Finish, teacher.
Steve starting madam.
Teacher, I have finished writing.
Madam, can you show it again? Madam,
කියන්න.
can you show it again?
Which one Lakira? Previous
Last
one?
one, no, number one. That one.
හරි මං ටක් ගාලා ඊළඟ එකට යන්නම්.
Finish, teacher.
හරිද ලකිර?
Yes.
Have you finished the third question?
Yeah.
Third question, have you finished?
Yes,
Teacher,
Yes?
Not
Not yet.
in
Hari.
the s-
Uh,
in the fourth one,
okay.
state 2 ways that you waste water daily in your school. Can we write children may break pipes and water will be wasted?
Okay, we will discuss the answers, Matisha, later on. Hari, those who have finished, you can have a 2-3 minute break, right? I will give 3 minutes. Then I will start the discussion by 6:45, right? 6:45. ඉවර නැති අය ඉක්මනින් ඉවර කරන්න.
Teacher, I have finished writing.
හරි ඉවර අය බ්‍රේක් එක ගන්න.
Do you need to log out and
No need, no need.
Oh.
Madam,
Yes, Lakira.
did you share the net link?
What is it, Lakira?
Did you share the next link?
No, no. Today onwards, you have only one link.
Okay.
Last time, some of you mixed up the things, ne? You don't need to leave. You can stay in the session. මම කිව්වේ පුංචි break එකක් ගන්න කියලා විතරයි.
Okay.
වතුර ටිකක් එහෙම බීලා එන්න. You don't need to leave.